Common ACLS Megacode roles include Team Leader, Compressor, Airway Manager, Monitor/Defibrillator Operator, Medication Administrator, and Recorder/Timekeeper. Each role is important for smooth teamwork during cardiac emergencies. ACLS training emphasizes clear communication and closed-loop feedback so everyone knows their task. Practicing roles helps students perform confidently and quickly during realistic simulation scenarios and skills testing.